What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Spring Hill Homestead. I'm Roy, and today we're getting our hands dirty out in the garden.
Not much easier, but as you can see, I got a good little spot right here. I can start planting some more crops. I did a couple rows between my fruit trees back here, so that way I can plant something in between them, which might actually help them out. I don't know for sure yet on it, but
If you ever thought about becoming more self-sufficient, growing a backyard garden, or just want to see what homestead life is really like, you're in the right place. Let's get after it. No perfect gardens here. Things get eaten by bugs, weeds show up overnight, and sometimes our plans don't work out the way we hoped.
I'm here and y'all tell me what y'all think. So there's that down there. So I feel like they're starting to grow the bulbs, but I don't know if they flower up top or what they do before they're ready. I don't think a lot of them are quite ready yet because I'm seeing just very few red bulbs in the bottom, but
We're checking on what's thriving, what's struggling, what needs to be done, and sharing the real life wins and mistakes that come with growing your own food.
back here in the garden again. I was going to give y'all a little update on my tomato plants. As you can kind of see, hopefully down the row right here, I've got tomato plants here and I've got some over there. But I'm going to show you here as far as tomatoes from the nursery. You can see this one, they're already starting to, most of them, topping the tomato cages. That one's leaning over. I've got to get it staked up. But see, topping the tomato cage, topping the tomato cage. That one's a little bit shorter, but it'll catch up. So these down here, I've got to get them some support. That one's looking good. Already got yellow bulbs on it. Already, so they're already starting to produce. They're already starting to get fairly big. So these are all the ones from the nursery.
But every season teaches us something new, and that's part of the fun. So let's head out and see what today's garden has in store. Quick favor, if you're enjoying this video or picking up a few ideas for your own garden, hit that like button and subscribe to Spring Hill Homestead. It helps more people discover the channel, and it lets me keep bringing you along for the journey. Just remember, because the best food doesn't come from a store, it comes from the work you're willing to put in.
Look guys, I got some sugar snap peas. This one's got several on it. There's some more there. So y'all tell me, do y'all think, are these ready to be picked? Or should I let them go a little bit longer? I know they say to check when they're firm. So I'm not sure if I feel any actual seeds in there. Like that one feels a little bit firmer. So I may let them go a little bit longer. But now see, that one feels firm.
That's it for today's garden update. Whether you're growing tomatoes in a 5-gallon bucket, planting your first raised bed, or managing a full-blown homestead, remember, you don't have to know everything to get started. Just plant something. Learn as you go and keep showing up. Drop a comment below and let me know what you're growing right now, what you're struggling with in the garden. I read the comments and I love hearing what everyone has going on. Thanks for hanging out with me here at Spring Hill Homestead. If you're into gardening, livestock, preserving food, hunting, fishing, and the ups and downs of building a more self-reliant life, make sure you're subscribed. Until next time, keep growing, keep learning, and I'll see you on the next one.